I will show you how to add thumbnail made from CapCut to your YouTube video. If you want to make this thumbnail by using CapCut editor, please see the video links in description box. Let's start. First, you need to log in into YouTube channel. Then go to create upload video. Click on select files. Upload your video. After completing upload your video, click on video title. Go to thumbnail section. You can choose any of these 3 thumbnail, which are suggested by YouTube. Save the thumbnail. You can upload your custom thumbnail here. I will upload custom thumbnail. Click on upload to add custom thumbnail. Receive an error message. You need to adjust the file size. Resolution 1280 by 720px. Min width 640px. Aspect ratio 16:9. Format PNG, JPG, GIF. Thumbnail size less than 2 megabytes. Follow community guidelines. To reduce the size of thumbnail, you can use a free Canva account. Go to canva.com. Go to top right and click on create design. Click on YouTube thumbnail. Then I need to upload the thumbnail made by CapCut. Click on upload. Select the PNG file from your computer location. Drag the files to cover the whole page. Give the title of this thumbnail. Click on share. Then go to download. You will see the file type here, PNG. In the drop-down, you will find the JPG format here. Then scroll down to download the thumbnail. Click on the top to go to download folder. Open the file. So you will find your clip here. Then copy and bring this file into your desired folder. To upload your YouTube video thumbnail, paste here. After Canva adjustment, go to the video and click on thumbnail upload from computer location. This file is correct size now, less than 2 megabytes. Save. Thumbnail of this video has been uploaded successfully. Please subscribe to reach 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you next tutorial.